traders at Access Bank say that the Treasury Bills secondary market is trading on a more active note as investors take profit on the newly issued OMO bills. On the bond side, offers are barely lifted due to the bearish market sentiment. And I have Anuoluwapo Obipehin. She's the Treasury Team Member at Access Bank. She joins me now for a midweek market update. Thank you so much, Anu. And let's look at what's playing out here. We're seeing the newly issued OMO bills here and OMO auction as well as the bond auction that have played out. And I'd like you to just bring us up to speed on what's happening in the markets.
Hi David, good morning, good afternoon, thank you for having me. So far this week has been quite eventful. On Monday we had both the OMO auction and the bond auction. So for the OMO auction, we saw the CBN come in offering 350 billion naira, the amount of which they sold across three standard tenors, namely the 92-day, the 176 and the 365-day bills. So by the close of this auction, the stop rate for these bills closed at 10%, 13.5% and 17% respectively. For the bond auction as well, we saw the DMO coming to float to offer about 360 billion, and they oversold this amount to about just over 400 billion. And the stop rate for these as well were 15.5%, 16 and 16.5% across the four maturities of the 2027, 2029. 2033 and 2038. So that's just the major happenings in the fixed income market. Yes.
All right, but we're seeing new highs for the NAFEM rate here, and everybody's wondering what's causing all of this. Yes, we know FMDQ has adjusted their methodology here, but can you bring us up to speed on what's playing out there?
Yeah, so like you rightfully said, between Friday and Monday, we saw a 45% depreciation in the NAFEX from 975 on Friday to just about 1,413 on Monday. So the major reason for this, like you said, was because of the introduction or the revision of the NAFEX methodology by the FMDQ. So the reason why I decided to revise this methodology is just to ensure more transparency and just to make sure that the current NAFEX rate is reflective of the actual FX rate in the official market. So they just wanted to make sure there's total transparency and that the rate is totally reflective of what's going on in the official market. Yeah. So
would you say that conversion is now in sight in terms of how we're looking at the parallel market and the official market?
Yes, I think that's most likely what's happening. Yeah.
All right. Thank you so much for your time today. I've been speaking to Anuoluwapo Obipehin. She's a Treasury Team Member at Access Bank.